Hi, Ryu here. I'm a UX designer and also a founder of Real World UX. Today, I wanted to cover this topic, the future of dining experience at a restaurant. Okay, let's dive in. The other day, I went to a local revolving sushi bar. Here's my journey. Step 1, waiting list. Before arriving at a restaurant, I put my name on their online waiting list. By the time I arrived, I already received a message saying that my table is ready. Step 2, seating. When I arrived at a restaurant, a human staff guided me to a table. Step 3, order and food delivery. The restaurant's table had a touchscreen to order food and drink. The food I ordered got delivered on a belt conveyor. Step 4, drink delivery. The drink was delivered by a robot. The robot was KettyBot by Pudu Robotics, founded in Shenzhen, China in 2016. The KettyBot took the following actions. 1. Traveled 8 to 9 feet in distance and delivered the drink that I ordered. 2. KettyBot stopped in front of my table. 3. As soon as I grabbed drinks from the robot's tray, KettyBot said, "I'm going back. Call me if you need anything. Thank you. Bye." 4. KettyBot left my table and went back to the robot station. Even though KettyBot traveled a very short distance, it spilled some water from the cups. Step 5, call button. I noticed that there was a food order that didn't arrive but marked as delivered when I was checking the ordered list on the touchscreen. So I pressed call button for help. Step 6, a human staff came to my table and I reported the situation. Step 7, after 5 minutes or so, the lost order was delivered. Step 8, I made a payment via the touchscreen. While the KettyBot didn't do anything spectacular, I think this is a primitive version of what many future restaurants are going to be. When dining at a restaurant, you don't really need human staff in most cases. As a result, it may become a norm that human operators are only at remote locations monitoring multiple restaurants and steps in only when there's problems that cannot be solved by robots alone. This setup, called ROC, Remote Operations Center, already exists in different industries such as material handling robot operations at warehouses. From a restaurant's perspective, this automation should drastically cut costs for hiring human workers. I'm excited to see how these experiences gonna evolve in the near future. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Feel free to put any comments, questions, or suggestions. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.